Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-152-STATIC-KEY-W Bay Direction Waste Management Numbers Display. So what the customer aims to accomplish by utilizing this product is to direct the garbage trucks into the desired bay in the disposing area of their factory. And how it works is the client utilizes our custom keypad to display the static number. After 8 seconds have gone by, the display will turn blank and the truck will go to the desired bay and the cycle will repeat itself. So quickly going over the functions of this static display, it's really self-explanatory and it's really simple. All you have to do is just press a button, any button between 1 and 12, or in this case 4. I just press the 4 button and it will display for 8 seconds. And then it will turn blank, and at that point the truck driver will go to the desired area, and then the next truck driver goes along and they press another button to designate that truck driver to go to that area as well. And then, like I said before, the cycle will repeat indefinitely until the workday is done. This only has like 2 digits that displays any number between 1 and 12, and you can type in 11 to create 11. That's not how it's functioned. This is thanks to our programmable DC-GEN24 keypad that we can program to the specifications that our client demands. So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, you can see that our enclosure is an IP66 wet location waterproof enclosure that is black powder coated. The display size is 15 inches and it can be viewed up to a total of 700 feet away. Thanks to our white LEDs, that are the number of digits that it can display are 2 digits that can showcase 1 to 12. Its power type is an SJEOW NEMA 5 to 15 power cord that can be located right here at the right side at the bottom of the enclosure. For mounting, we have our C-channel mounting rails on the back of the enclosure. And lastly, for our accessories, we have our programmable DC-GEN24 with keypads that carry 1 to 12 input. And it is powered by a single cigarette lighter style power supply to said keypad that we supply with the unit as a whole. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-152-STATIC-KEY-W Bay Direction Waste Management Numbers Display. Thanks for watching.